Ill-gotten gain gets you nowhere, and honest life is immortal. Proverbs 10:2. So first thing first up, guys, I'm going to be taking a cotton wool and an acrylic dissolver and just soak the cotton wool with the dissolver, and I'm just going to use that to clean my nails. Making sure to clean my nails properly and they are clean, because I actually had a nails before this, so we have to clean all that color out. So here is my nails clean. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful nails I got. It's called Jane Love. It's from a brand named Jane Love. I actually love the packaging. Like, I think I've never gotten a press-on nail that is this cute. I actually love these nails, and I'm taking this adhesive. This is the first time I'm getting this particular adhesive, and it's good. It's Engsburg something. I'm just gonna leave the name in the description bar because I can't really tell. I'm using a pin to just open the holes so I can get the glue out. So removing the press-on nails from the packet, I am going to be sizing the nails on my nail, the first nails on my nails, sizing for each fingers, which one goes, like the size and everything. So basically, after sizing all the nails, I'm just going to file my nails to give it this rough edge so that the glue and the nails can have this tightness, if I do say so myself. So right now I'm putting the glue on my nails directly. I am putting a really tiny bit. Then while putting the nails, I'm just going to use the nails to spread it out and just press it down so it can hold firm and last. This is actually like one of the best press-on nails I've gotten, and basically I love it like so much. I love it so much. I won't even lie. I love it so much, and it has lasted me for a while now. Pressing the nails, make sure you press it, guys. It sticks down, so there is no movement, like no movement. Like, you see how pretty that nails is, and it has like this matte finish to the surface, and I love that so much, like so much. So this is the nails, guys. What I did was just file the tip of the nails so there are no rough edges, because it was having a rough edge, so I just file all that out. And this is my nails, guys. It's looking so good, and it matches my dark skin so much. This actually made me love purple color like more, and you're going to be seeing these nails on videos already. But yes, guys, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and my other social media platform will be down in the description. I love you guys more, but God loves you most.